All right, what would be a trip home without some type of maintenance? Today we're working on the truck. We have developed a fuel leak somewhere. I'm about to take the front tire off and the wheel well and try to figure out where this leak is coming from. Let's do it. Always good to give a little look around while you're down there, make sure nothing else is going on. Oh yeah, we found the leak. The leak is coming from the fuel filter housing, the original fuel filter for this truck. I actually, after we blew a motor and had to replace it, replaced the fuel pump system with an air dog system. So I thought this fuel filter had been bypassed. I'm not 100% sure now. I'm gonna have to go back and recheck all that, but this should be a pretty easy fix. I gave AirDog a call, and turns out the factory filter was not bypassed when I put the AirDog system in. You can bypass that filter. Afterwards, I did not do that. So I went ahead and replaced my filter while I was in there. Figured while I was in that deep, had the wheel well pulled out, might as well go and swap her out. Whenever you replace the filter, at least on these Duramaxes, make sure that you prime the system after you open it up. To do that, you do it from the top over here on the passenger side. All right, here's the top side of our fuel filter. Here we have the prime it there. And on the other side, right here, is our bleeder valve. So I need to crack that loose. Use the prime button, prime it until we will get a bunch of air come out of here, and then we should get some fuel come out. So we've got a pretty good flow there. We'll pump this up until it's nice and firm. Oh yeah, I feel it firming up there. All right, I'll put this intake manifold back on, and we should be ready to start up. And we're back together up top. Let's go start it up, see if we have any leaks. I love the easy fixes.